Hey you guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey, I'm Palmyra, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So today I'm doing something a little different. I'm about to go on a quick trip, so I decided to just show you what I usually would pack on a quick weekend trip because I'm only gone for the weekend, but I do like to have my essentials with me and still be very organized just the way I like it. So if you're interested, let's get right into it. So, first and foremost, I love packing cubes. This is like essential for me whenever I'm packing, whenever I'm traveling. It helps me keep my clothes pretty neat, but also well organized so I know what to get. So, this is the biggest one that I have, and I'm pretty sure I got these off of Amazon or something a few years ago. So, this is the biggest one. It just has mainly the clothes that I have for the weekend. I have some sweaters. Well, actually, I only have one sweater. I have a pair of jeans. I have a dress, and I have some other dress pants, a couple of shirts, a t-shirt, and these are essentials because I'm kind of just going to be chilling most of the weekend, maybe go out one day if at all any. And it's going to be a little bit cooler where I'm going, so that's why I've packed a sweater at least, so if it gets cold there is that for keeping warm. So yeah, that's packing cube one down. All right, so since this is done, I will usually go ahead and put it in my suitcase. As you can tell, I'm only taking a carry-on with me because there's really no point in taking a big suitcase, but also I don't necessarily enjoy carrying around a big rucksack at the airport. It's just not convenient. My back is not here for that. So I'll always go for a roller carry-on. The next is the smallest one that I have, and with this one, it just has mostly my undergarments, my headscarf, some socks. One thing I always pack fluffy socks. It doesn't matter if I'm going to be at a hotel, at a friend's house, wherever. I do get pretty cold. So I always have this. It doesn't matter whether it's summer, winter, spring, wherever. I have this. I have a couple pairs of socks as well in here because I am actually going to be wearing tennis shoes most of this trip, or be in like some sort of flip-flops, so it's the safest option to go for. And then I have underwear and stuff like that, which obviously I'm not going to show you on the internet. So that's two, and then I'm going to put this right here. And then this is the middle case, the middle packing cube. And for this one, I've basically just put a belt. I've put a camisole, my PJs in here, as well as a towel. I do like to travel with my own towel for the most part, so I almost always will have one. And that's all that's going in here. That goes here. Actually, let me switch this around a little bit. So like that. Next is my makeup case. This is one of my favorites. It's kind of like a nice velvet. Love that. And I only have a few things in here. So I have some makeup wipes, two brushes, my foundation, some lip gloss, blush. I also have mascara in here, and my setting powder from Vanessa Myricks. And this is all I'm taking, and I really actually don't plan on wearing any makeup, but I figure it's best to just have something on you in case you need it. This is like my basics of basics, and that's all that's in here. Here is my toiletry bag. So I really like these because they tend to open up into like a nice, easily accessible bag, and you can hang it up on like a shower rod or shower curtain or something like that, and it's pretty accessible. And I only have basics, like a few things in here. I have some toothpaste, toothbrush. I have dental floss here. I did pack some masks. I have one in my bag, my actual handbag, which I'll show you in a bit. I just figure it's that season, so I'll just grab some. I have my buddy butter, some moisturizers, my sunscreen. I'm packing the Sunbum one because it's the smallest one I have. I do like the Black Girl sunscreen better, but I'm using this one. And in here, I have my cleanser. It's a La Roche-Posay cleanser. I actually put it in an empty moisturizer tub because I couldn't find any of my containers and I just don't have time. And then I have one small travel size of a body wash. I do like to travel with mine because I don't use scented products. So just to be on the safe side, I pack my own. And then the only other thing that's not in here is my loofah and some other things that I plan to use just before I head out to the airport. So yeah, this is basically what my toiletry bag is looking like. And then that's that. I also have this sweatshirt with me, which I'll just kind of drape over my stuff in my bag, but I do get cold in the airplane most of the time, so I like to just have a sweatshirt, and it's like my Library of Congress sweatshirt. Very DC of me. I'll go here. And then next, I'm going to show you what is in my handbag that I'm going to be taking with me. So just give me 1 second. Let's look at what I put in my airport handbag. Let's get into it. All right. So this is my airport handbag, like my big tote that I like to have something like this with me that's easily accessible because if for some reason I can't sleep on the flight or whatever, I can just reach in and get something out that I want. So I'm going to just show you what's typically in my bag. This is very much representative of even if I'm traveling internationally. So I hope it's helpful. First thing is a water bottle. If you know US airports, I am not paying $4 for a bottle of water. So I carry my empty water bottle and I'll fill it after I go through security. I also have my iPad with me and I'm just putting it in this case because I just don't want it to scratch up or anything in my bag. So it'll be in this case. I have a couple of books with me just in case, I get bored or I don't sleep. So there are a couple of books that I'm still reading. I have The Knowledge of You of the Holy by A.W. Tozer, Womanhood by Mildred Kingsley Okonkwo, Pastor Mildred Kingsley Okonkwo. I have Holier Than Thou by Jackie Hill Perry, which I've been reading for quite a while now. So I'm hoping I can actually finish it on this trip. And then my devotional, which is also by Jackie Hill Perry, it's Upon Waking. So I just have these with me. They're pretty small compared to the other books that I usually would read. So I'm taking those. Here I have my clear bag that I usually have in even my regular handbag. It just has some essentials in it like face tissue. I have my medication, so my vitamins and stuff are in here. Some wipes. I have lip gloss, some lotion, and then I have some crystal lights. If you know, you know. And then I have my Beats with me, which will go everywhere with me. I have the Beats and the chargers in here because I like that for myself on the plane. I also have this bag, which I'll end up putting my phone charger and my iPad charger in it. But right now, it just has the Apple headphones, like the regular ones, because sometimes if I'm on a conversation on the phone and I don't want to hold my phone, I'll use this. Um, and then I have a power bank and a lock just in case for some reason my bag ends up getting checked. I always kind of carry a lock with me. Here's the additional mask. I have my wallet in here. I have my quick like necessities bag, which just has hand cream. It has lip gloss, a perfume, lip oil, some hand sanitizer, and then I have this like menthol thing for if my nose gets blocked or something. And I have my glasses with me. I'll take that. And then finally, I have a pencil case. As an adult, I believe we should still all have pencil cases. So I have this with me. I have my Apple Pencil in here and then a couple other writing pens and like highlighters. I have some stickies and things like that. Just like if I'm reading, I tend to like put stickies in or make like notes. So yeah, that's basically what's going to be in this bag that I'm gonna just carry through the airport. So yeah, I'll have my car keys and just my house keys as well. But that's basically me when it comes to what I pack and how I sort of organize myself when I'm traveling, just so I'm not overwhelmed. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you think, let me know what you would love to see more of, and I will see you in my next video. And ta-ta, bye.